Show me how that one twirls. What tutu is that?
That's a Hawaii tutu.
A Hawaii tutu? That was a good twirl. Let me see again.
Huh?
Let me see it again. The Hawaii one. Ooh, good. Dance. Can you do some leaping? This is a good leaping song.
Ow!
You okay? I love what... It was a good one.
Oh my god.
Well, don't do it on purpose. Sylvie, dance is a good leaping one.
I can't do it.
It's over.
Is it going on this foot?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's
Yeah.
going on this foot.
Nope. You had
It goes on this foot.
You had it.
It goes on this foot.
You had it right. Why are you asking me if you think it goes that way?
Today I'm a shoe dancer.
Now you're a shoe dancer?
I'm a shoe dancer.
This looks dangerous.
These are not good shoe dancers.
Not good shoe dancing.
These are not good shoe dancers. Maybe we should buy new shoe dancers.
We'll get you some dancing shoes. What color would you want your dancing shoes to be?
I want some blue ones.
Some blue dancing shoes?
Maybe pink ones.
Or red, like the video? Remember that Lassie showed you?
Yeah.
Nice leaping. Can you leap again? Now you're a soldier?
Attack.
Mm-hmm. No hurting.
This is like this is a hitter.
It's not for hitting.
Now I'm a soda.
Now you're a soldier with a stick on your shoulder.
Now I'm not a soda.
Now you're a dancer, huh? Can you show me? Oh, now you're a soldier. You could be a dancing soldier.
Huh?
You just hit yourself in the head with that.
Hey, I'm not a dancing stick.
There, let me see you again. Back up so I can see you.
Now it's over.
Keep going.
It comes back. Maybe I need this.
Okay. That makes it flow behind you.
Huh?
Keep going.
Ow! I got myself. Look, it's over.
It's not over. It's just different.
Ow, keep going up.
Put it in the front part.
Huh? Help me.
Okay, stand up. Stand up.
Ah.
No, well, I can't do it if you don't stand still. Stand still. All right. Say happy day.
Happy day.